Are you looking to rebuild your credit in 2025? A secure credit card could be your best ally. In this video, we will explore how secured credit cards work, highlight some of the best options available, and provide actionable steps to help you improve credit score. What is a secured credit card? A secure credit card requires a security deposit that typically matches your credit limit. This makes it an excellent choice for those with limited or damaged credit histories. By using the card responsibly, making purchases, and paying off balance on time, you can gradually rebuild your credit score. Number 1. Discover it. Secured credit card. Cashback 2% at gas station and restaurants up to $1,000 quarterly plus 1% on all other purchases. Annual fee nil. Welcome bonus. Discover matches all cashback earned in the first year. Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card. Cashback 1.5% on all purchases. Annual fee nil. Credit needed. No prior credit history required. US Bank Cash plus Visa Secured Card. Cashback 2% on two chosen categories like gas or groceries and 1% on other purchases. Annual fee nil. Flexibility. Choose your cashback categories. Actionable steps to rebuild your credit. Choose the right card. Compare features like cashback rewards, fees, and APRs to find a card that fits your needs. Make regular purchases. Use your secured card for everyday expenses. Just ensure you can pay off the balance each month. Pay on time. Timely payment are crucial. Set reminders or automate payments to avoid late fees. 4. Monitor your credit score. Regular check your credit report to track your programs and spot any inaccuracies. Rebuilding your credit takes time and discipline, but with a secure credit card, you can enjoy rewards while you work towards a better score. The Discover It, One Quicksilver, and US Bank Cash Plus cards are great places to start. Remember, responsible use is key. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, apply for a secure credit card today and watch your credit score rise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your finances.